Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming the Project Pen update for the month of October, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. So first things first, like usual, I didn't film this look, but everything that I have on my face and all of these products from the Project Pen are in the description box. So let's start. I really love project penning and I just filmed the low buy update. So if you're curious about that, I will link it down below, but right now I have some interesting things that I want to add to the project pen. I know that it is October already. I just want to start buying less makeup and the project pen is really helping. So I want to focus even more on that on 2024. So let's start the first item, which is primer. I am wearing it today. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and I'm gonna pop a video on the screen with the update. I did use it a bunch. It is a mini product, so I have less quantity in here, but realistically I think the mini is enough. I've been using this one pretty regularly and I had this one for almost a year, so I would say that the mini is more than enough. And recently I purchased a product from Catrice that is very similar to this one, so I don't think you need to splurge, and ELF has of course the alternative as well, so I don't think you need to splurge this much on a product that is glowy, but I do like the Charlotte Tilbury one. Next we have the category of foundation, and here I have two. The first one is the Born to Glow from NYX. I'm gonna put a video and maybe it seems that I'm showing you the same video twice with just different nails. That is not the case, but because this packaging is black, I can't mark it and I don't have a white pen or something. So yeah, I've been using this one, not a lot though, because I have another foundation in the project pen and I tested two other new foundations recently, so I've been neglecting this one a tiny bit, but I will of course use it up. I really love it. It is my favorite foundation from NYX because recently I tested the other one, the new one. I was waiting for that one for a long time, but I do prefer this one. Another one that I have is the Lisa Eldridge Seamless Skin, and I have the shade 2, and I used this one 3 times in September, so not a lot, but we have a total of 14 uses for this one, so maybe I'm gonna try my best to use it 6 more times in October, just to replace it with something else. This is an amazing foundation as well, and this is what I like, something that looks natural but it is a bit longer lasting and it's really beautiful. I really like it. Next we have actually the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick on my list, and I want to use this one 20 times. It looks like this right now. I already know that this will be, maybe I need to put it on the list for the 2024 plan to pen video, but I want to finish this one up in 2024. But right now we did reach the goal. I used it 6 times in September and that is a total of 23 uses, so I will swap this one out. I will let you know at the end which product will replace this one, but it's a beautiful lipstick. It looks incredible on the lips. It's very comfortable and very flattering, so I understand the hype. It's beautiful, and like I said, I will swap it out, and 2024 is the year that I'm gonna finish that one. Next I have the concealer in the project pen, and it is this one. This is the new Natasha Denona concealer, the Hyglam. I have the shade N1. I want to mention again that you are gonna like this concealer if you apply a small amount. It is the concealer that I'm wearing today. It looks flawless. I don't have anything bad to say. It has a pretty nice coverage. This pimple is extremely red and I don't like applying a lot of product. It did cover it decently well, but I'm not gonna put 10 layers of product just to cover this one up because it will look unnatural and ugly. It's just a pimple, not a big deal, so I don't want to apply a lot of product, but this is pretty high pigment and I really like it. and I did use it a bunch. Sadly, I can't see, this packaging is frosted, and I was trying to see where I'm at, but I can't. I hope I'm not marking this one that far off from reality, but we will see in the future when I have more progress on it. Then we have the LYS powder, and I'm gonna put the video with this one as well. I did extend the pen, it looks really great. I am very happy. I really like this powder. It's very thin, so if you have a dry skin, I think you would like this one. And yeah, so I would see myself extending the pen even more in October, and yeah, I'm very happy with the progress. Next we have the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, and very similarly to the LYS powder, I did extend the pen on this one as well. And again, I don't think I will be able to finish this one this year, but next year for sure. It is a goal of mine to finish this one up. It is a beautiful bronzer, very thin, natural, and I really enjoy it. And if you have very fair skin, this shade 01 Natural is very good, very flattering, and I really enjoy it. And again, it's from the drugstore. Next we have the blush in the project pen, and that is the Melt Sundown Cream Blush Light, and I did repress it. It is a cream product, so I just move it around technically. I put it, it looks very dirty and ugly. It's just messy. It is what it is. I put the product in the middle. I did use this one 12 times in September. I'm counting just in general. I want to finish this one up, so this will be done. I don't think again this year, but next year it will be done. It's a really nice one. Not my absolute favorite cream blush, but it is a good formula, and I like that it has some shimmers in it. So I already have like 3 or 4 products that will probably be done in 2024, which makes me very happy. We need to appreciate the process as well, not only the finish line. So I am very happy with this progress. Next we have highlighter, and in that I have the MAC Baked Highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle, and I have a goal of 50 uses for this one, and in September I used it 14 times. So I still have maybe 1 more month to go or something like that. So this will stay of course into the project pen, and we will see next month. I really like it, and I'm happy to have it in my project pen. And then we have the gloss from NYX. I am pretty consistent with the progress. The progress is pretty slow, but at least it is consistent. I'm gonna put the close-up with this one. I really like this color as well. It is very flattering. It is like a popsicle red kind of shade, and it's stunning. What can I say? It is a beautiful formula and a really nice color. Usually I do like clear glosses, but this one has something special with the color. The longer I'm using it, I just appreciate it more, so I think it is a really nice gloss. Let me tell you right now what product is replacing the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and then we will talk about the 10th category, because I have some updates in there as well. So the product that I decided on to replace this one is the Lisa Eldridge lipstick. This is the shade Velvet Affair. It is a matte bullet lipstick, and sadly mine broke from the beginning, and I'm not using it, and probably the reason is because it is broken and it's a bit annoying, and that's how much I can show you. But it is a beautiful formula. It's a stunning compact. It is magnetic as well, and the color looks absolutely beautiful on the lips, so I want to use it more. So I put 20 uses as a goal for this one as well, similar to the Charlotte Tilbury one, and yeah, I want to use it more because it is a really beautiful lipstick, but because it is broken, I'm just not reaching for it, and that's a stupid reason to not reach for it, so I want to use it more. let's end with the 10th category, that is the monthly bonus item. And last month I put the ABH palettes, the Cosmos and the Nouveau. I did use them 5 times, including today actually. I'm wearing both of those and one shadow from KVD. Stunning palettes, I really love them, they are great quality. But I was preparing for the new palette because ABH released a new one, Fall Romance is the name of it, and I didn't buy it, which is great. I bought other palettes, but at least I didn't buy that one as well. So yeah, I want to be better even with eyeshadows as well, because at the end of the day, they are color powder. So I love eyeshadow, is my favorite category. I really love colorful, bold shades and eye looks, but as well I have a bunch of eyeshadows that are not being used up. So for this category, the 10th one, I know that it is October, so the project plan is almost done, but I want to start just now. I just want to start right now. If you saw my low buy update, I mentioned in that I will allow myself to buy one new eyeshadow palette when I'm hitting pan on 2 eyeshadows. That is maybe easy for somebody else, but for me it's very hard, because right now I don't think I have any pen in any of my eyeshadows. Any pen, so 0. So I would like to hit some pens, and I will try my best to figure out how to do that. I don't want to do a separate video series with only penning eyeshadows, because that is a bit frustrating for me. I want to choose different shadows, but I want to include one palette in the project pen. So that will be this one. This is my Natasha Denona Metropolis. It is my favorite palette, or top 3 palettes in my collection. My favorite shadow in this palette is this one, and I'm gonna pop the video on the screen because I decided to put that shade and another one. They are called Orium and Fuss, and it is the very stunning duochrome shade from here on the top, and this one in here that is a neutral. So I decided on these 2 shades just to test it out. So this palette will stay in the project pen, hopefully until I hit pan on those 2. I will reassess next month how that is going. I just want to hit pan on something, and that is usually my birthday look, something neutral with that one, because it is so beautiful, but I need to use it on other occasions as well. So that is what I'm doing. That is the project pen update for today. I did swap out one product, and I am excited about the Metropolis. I really love this palette, so I think it will be a lot of fun to have it in the project pen. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.